Okay, for this example, I'm going to show you how to get some cool stats out of place names that you've put into Excel. So here I've typed in some counties. They could be cities or villages or towns, and Excel will actually use data from big maps to give you some statistics about these. Okay, so here are my county names. I'm going to highlight them. I'm going to go to the Data tab at the top, the ribbon at the top. I'm then going to click on Data Types, and I'm going to click on Geography, and it will check all of those. You can click on the maps, and you can get data out of them. But the best bit is if I go to a free cell and I type equals A2, which is the cell for Berkshire, it then gives me a menu of all the stats that I can get out. So I could actually click population, and it'll put population in. I can click return, and that'll give me the population according to big maps of Berkshire, of course, which I can hover over the bottom right hand corner, click, hold down left click, drag it down, and I can get the populations for all of those counties. Let's have another go. What else can I find out? Equals A2. I can find the largest city. That's quite cool. And the largest city in Berkshire, according to big maps, is Slough, and I can do that for all of those places. I can also get latitude and longitude, I think. Let me just try. It doesn't say there. Let me start typing latitude. No, it's not going to work today. I think that's for cities, actually. Let me try and prove that. So I'll just put Reading, Berkshire at the bottom. And then here, if I put equals A12, yeah, as you can see, I get a few more options if I put a city in. So I can get the longitude for Reading and Berkshire, and I can also get the latitude for Reading, just like that. Okay, so it won't give me the latitude and longitude for the centre of the county. It will struggle, but I could do the lat and long for the cities or towns. Okay, so some of the tiny villages it won't have, but for the majority of places that you're interested in, it will. And then, of course, with this information, I could put this into GIS if I wanted to, or do some sort of analysis using that data. Okay, hope that was helpful. Bye-bye.